The Custom Columns feature allows you to calculate values, like material costs, directly from your markups in Revu. In this example, you'll create a formula column for a flooring takeoff. However, you can use the same process for any type of takeoff. Prior to setting up a custom column for material costs, you will need to create a custom column for materials that defines each markup's intended material. To learn more about creating custom columns, view the How to Create Custom Columns video. To create a formula column, start by clicking on the Markups List menu. Then select Columns and choose Manage Columns. Next, go to the Custom Columns tab and click the Add icon to create a new column. From here, enter a name for your column, such as Material Cost, and set the type to Formula. In the Options section, you can input formulas and adjust how the results are displayed. In this example, the drawing contains various area measurements for flooring. All of the area measurements are assigned the subject flooring for easy sorting in the markups list, and each area measurement is assigned a specific material, selected from the Custom Choice column. Since you want to get the cost of the flooring materials based on the material's measurement, start building your formula in the expression field by selecting Measurement from the drop-down list of predefined variables. To continue the expression, you can use one of the valid operators, such as the signs for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. We will use the multiply operator for this expression along with the materials option because the formula calls for multiplying the measurement by the unit cost of the material. Finally, from the Format drop-down, select Currency. Once you've finished creating your expression, click OK, then OK again to add the column. Bluebeam Revu will automatically calculate and display the cost for each measured area in the markups list using your formula. While this example uses a straightforward calculation, you can create more complex formulas as needed. Revu can handle them easily.